This is a video of the trail we cut out, and just what's that? Yeah, you do. Yeah, I saw it. It was on the console. This is of the Boy Scout trail that we made so that the scouts can come out and do some winter camping and have a fire, even though you're not supposed to have a fire in Limerick. This one's been okayed by a forestry technician out here. So we've cleared through here. It's probably about 150 yards from the chalet, which is nice. Came through with chainsaws, excuse me, brush saws, and we built this bridge over top of an existing one. It's all cedar milled from wood that was cut in Limerick. So now we're into the spruce. And we cleared out a lot of stuff. These are the trees I've dropped. That was the big spruce that I dropped. Right there's the top. And we cleared it out. Dry wood over there, wet wood here. Rob installed this fire pit, an old wheel well. And we cleared out here. So this will be where the Boy Scouts are going to do their winter camping.